because that looks cool. One fancy light, two fancy lights. This way I know if I have power to it before I hook everything up and say, these lights don't work. Well, I didn't have power. This is the blue bulb. So it has blue lights instead of white lights. Ones that I really have to extend. One is for the power of the lights itself, and the other one is to power the Indiglo lights. So if you want to run them separate. Can you see that they're changing color? They're supposed to be like, so this one here is the high beam power. As far as I understand, you're supposed to be able to click this and it's supposed to have a whole bunch of colors. So basically running lights all the time is going to be Indiglo. I can take this off and have my own bank of switches, which is maybe something that I want to do, because I think that the switch dongle suction cup to the dash has always been really lame for me. I'm just not that guy. Alright, to the instructions.
Purple.
Ooh! Taste the rainbow! 12.1 volts is no. 13 volts is yes.
And it does the same thing on the remote.
The remote tells you what color it is.
4 of them.
There's going to be 6 on the front of this bus.
What? So if you're going to use 2 of these for actual headlights...
Be driving down the road like this. It'll be the Barbarossa 2000. I need to decide, or go find it if I have it, a bus bar that has at least 7 terminals on it, so that I can connect 6 lights together. Well, 4 lights are going to be KC off-road lights. The ones on the fender are going to be all-time running lights, but I want all halos running. They are LEDs, so it's not like they take a whole bunch. It looks like the best situation, instead of lengthening this harness, which makes soldered connections after soldered connections, is to, in order to route them all the way down, get them down into the electrical panel where I'd like to have them, I just have to run one wire from the electrical panel, a positive wire, through the relay that is going to be powered off of the ignition, so that the lights and the halos turn off when the ignition is off. So when I do that, run 2 heavier gauge wires up to the panel, tie them all in like they're supposed to the ground, and so on and so forth. I'll have to put the switch underneath the monitor on that face there somewhere. So yeah, it's a thing. Well, I need to get the wire in before I can close the hole up.
Right.
So that, yeah, the answer, the question is yes, it all has to be done today.
Okie dokie, get to work, mister.
Rubber grommets, and they're freaking $1.36 a piece, and I don't think I can use them because I can't get this plug through. That needs to be, whenever I finally push these things where they're going to go, then the rubber grommet really needs to go like right behind this spot in there. This plate being covering the hole, this needs to go through that plate pretty much just like that. But you see now that if it sits flat, you have a hole for water to get in. I don't want that. So I suppose what I have to do is there has to be a hole in this so that it goes straight through just like that. And then this has to be the watertight thing. Maybe I just need to put it down lower.
fantastic, my love. Good job.